Rocketgenius has been getting a lot of attention lately, and if you're thinking about buying, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before you pull the trigger. In this video, we'll break down 7 important points that will help you make a smart decision, and I'll even show you how it stacks up against its competitors. Stick around until the end, because there's a special offer waiting for you, and you don't want to miss out. First thing to know, Rocketgenius isn't just another generic tool on the market. It offers an intuitive, easy-to-use interface with powerful features that really set it apart from the competition. Compared to other solutions that tend to feel clunky or difficult to navigate, Rocketgenius streamlines your process and makes it so much easier to get things done. But don't take my word for it. You can actually try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below to grab the best deal available. Next thing you need to be aware of is its pricing model. Rocketgenius is surprisingly affordable, given the level of sophistication it brings to the table. Unlike some of its pricier competitors, it doesn't overwhelm you with a confusing tier system. Instead, they keep things simple. You get great value for what you pay. But what makes it even better is that you can try it completely free and see for yourself. Make sure to check out the exclusive free trial through the link in the description. The third thing to consider is the customer support. I've used a few competitors in this space, and one thing I've found with Rocketgenius is their level of support is top tier. They provide responsive, knowledgeable assistance whenever you need it. In fact, I've found them to be quicker than many other services out there, making it a lot easier to troubleshoot and keep your projects moving forward without delays. This could be a real game changer when you need help fast. Now the fourth thing, integration. Rocketgenius integrates smoothly with most of the other tools you might be using already. Whether it's email marketing, CRM systems, or other productivity software, Rocketgenius works seamlessly in the background, so you don't have to worry about data getting lost or having to switch between platforms. It's also one of the areas where competitors struggle, so Rocketgenius definitely earns some serious points here. The fifth point to keep in mind is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or scaling up to a larger operation, Rocketgenius grows with you. Its adaptability is a huge advantage because, let's face it, not every tool can handle the shifting needs of a growing company. This level of flexibility is rare, especially when compared to other platforms that may require you to upgrade to more expensive plans as you expand. The sixth thing you should know is its security. Rocketgenius places a heavy emphasis on keeping your data safe. With everything that's been happening around data breaches and cyber attacks lately, it's reassuring to know that this platform has robust security measures in place. This gives you peace of mind, especially when dealing with sensitive information. When compared to competitors, Rocketgenius has consistently proven to be reliable in this area. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know before buying Rocketgenius is the long-term value. Many tools out there might seem great at first, but over time, you realize they don't provide the ROI you were expecting. Rocketgenius, on the other hand, is a tool you can continue to rely on as your business grows and evolves. It brings consistent value, and with its free trial, you'll be able to test this out for yourself before making a commitment. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, I highly recommend checking out Rocketgenius. Click the first link in the description below to get access to the best free trial offer available right now. Don't miss your chance to see what makes Rocketgenius stand out from the rest and grab some exclusive benefits.